You can set up new inventory device by scanning a settings QR code. Grab a device with the Voxme Inventory already set up. Open Inventory app, tap on Cogs, Settings, Settings QR code, save it for further setups. Install and open the Inventory app on a new device. When user registration prompt comes up, tap on Scan Settings QR code and scan the QR code from step 1. Enter username. Send an email to Voxme support. When Voxme support confirms registration completion, tap on Cogs, About, check registration, and you are all set.